Hi guys, this is some charts which I want to show you something called a fake break. And a fake break is where there is a fake break of resistance. So for example, you can have a break here. You draw a line and you see that it attempts to break, and possibly some people will enter a short on this, but then you see that it reverses and there's an opportunity to fade the breakout. And you see this time and time again. You draw the line, you see a break, and then it closes above, and then it goes up. Same, goes up. I mean, these things are not completely long-term things. It's a short-term trading opportunity. If you're doing day trading or intraday trading, you see this happening all the time. This is a really nice one. You see multiple times. You can see the more times it hits, the more stronger the support or resistance is. And then when you get a fake, you get a large move. Of course, it's not always a massive move each time. This one broke here, straight up. Would have been an opportunity, but then it went straight down. And then here again, we have another fake break, closes below and goes down. So what I've done is I've created an indicator which can alert you when these things happen. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So it's called fake break, and it's very easy. You install it into your indicators folder. You choose a chart. So for example, here is gold, and once you've got the fake break installed, you drag this onto your chart. You set where you think the resistance is. So this is something that you have to do. You have to identify where you think resistance is. So I think there's also some resistance up here. So 247.6 or something. So 247.6 support. It's up to you. I mean, you don't have to set both of these. You can set only one of these. So 23746. So support, there's no real strong support. Maybe there is some support here, but we've had this broken before, and I don't like. I mean, if these were in the same place, that'd be fine, but it isn't. So maybe I'll set support down to here, 2336.7, 2336.7, and you can set the alerts as well. So you've got email alerts, you've got Metatrader alert, pop-up alert to tell you when the fake break happens. So you put the lines in, and then what it'll do is it'll draw the lines in there for you and give you some information as to what you've set. And what this will do is now it will monitor these two lines. If it sees the price go up and then close back down, it will send an alert. Same thing down here. If it breaks down below this but then closes above the following bar, you get an alert, and this will give you an opportunity. It's not guaranteed, of course, it's just an alert, and you can use that to assess whether you want to go long or go short. You do need to figure out what works best for which time frame. So if you're scrolling back, you might see that this actually works quite well on a 15-minute time frame or a 5-minute time frame. Generally, I'm seeing this works better in the shorter time frames because obviously the moves can be quite quick. I mean, I'm also very cautious that if you get a fake break, you could easily put your stop on the other side of the pin bar. I mean, I like to trade quite conservatively using this. If we get a fake break here above and then below, I'd like to say short with a stop above the high of whatever was printed here. Like as you're going long, you see the price drop down and then move back up. You go long and you put your stop below the low of whatever was the lowest pin bar here before it went up. And then your target would be the next resistance if you're going up, or support, or you can even trail it. So this is something which will work differently depending on the instrument and on the time frame. This is something that you will have to figure out for yourself. But it's a tool, isn't it? It's a tool that we could use to help identify certain scenarios. And perhaps something that we could develop a bit further on. So you'll get this if you're a Patreon member. You can download this free. If you don't want the commitment of joining us, I've also made this available on an external site, Gumroad, so you can purchase this. It's only $20 just to make it accessible for everybody. I hope you like it. We'll speak to you soon.